Here we have, just down the road from that little German Shepherd, we have two beautiful dogs. Hello, sweetie. They guard this person's cows, but they're so hungry. My God, they're so hungry. Hi, sweetie. Look at these two beautiful dogs. And this beautiful black one, I don't know if you can see it, but on his back is a scar like he got attacked by a panther. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's crazy. Look at how hungry these dogs are. Look at this. Oh well, I gotta feed them and go. I don't want the farmer to get angry.